Hey, this is Mike, and the markets are closed today. So, what do you do when the markets are closed? Well, I like to spend some of my free time just kind of doing a little research because when the markets are open, you're kind of watching the market. So, I just wanted to share just a couple things that I've been looking at and a couple stocks from my portfolio you may just want to consider. Obviously, it's not like a recommendation, but just something if you want to research it. So, as you know, the market has been in a correction. It's been down past couple of days, and we're in September, which is kind of the scariest time of the year for equities. However, no matter how bad a market is, there are always a couple of bright spots. So, one of the stocks that you want to take a look at perhaps is AMC Entertainment Holdings. It's basically AMC Theaters. It's the largest theater chain. And basically, the stock's been on the rise over the past month. It's gone from 4.5 up to 7. It's because AMC theaters are reopening, and I think the theaters are going to continue to reopen probably up until the holidays because you have a lot of big movies that they're trying to come out. I guess they're going to try to get theatrical releases before they go into streaming or Netflix or whatever. And I think AMC is a great play right now if you're looking for a cheap stock while the market is kind of teetering and you have the big runners like Amazon, Tesla, Apple may roll over because they had such big gains. AMC may continue to open because it's been doing pretty well. And then also another thing that people should look at that's been ignored is basically just gold and silver. Gold has been in, very quietly doing a bull run for the past 2 years. And even though it has sort of gone parabolic and come back a little bit, I think gold and silver going forward with the chaos of the upcoming elections is going to be one of the winners over the next few months and probably the next few years. So if you're looking for a safe place to hide or you're looking for opportunity, you could go ahead and look at gold. Also, you may want to take a look at silver because silver hasn't been performing as well as gold over the past 2 years. However, it's kind of been in a range right now, but I could see it breaking out in a range pretty soon. And besides that, I think gold, silver, AMC, also, you may want to take a look at GameStop because it had a pretty big run a couple days ago because it got a big investor that came in. This is another stock that it probably will pull back a little bit, but I think going forward, this may be one of the under $10 stocks you may want to look at. It may have a nice run. So besides that, looking at the S&P 500, I think the S&P 500 is going to be really wobbly going into the end of the year until we have the presidential election resolved one way or the other. I think there's going to be a lot of instability, probably a lot of chaos. So gold and silver, look for some bright spots here and there on stocks. Be very selective with your stocks. So that's where I am for today. If you want daily updates, I'm going to do a video before Monday through Fridays. Just go ahead, subscribe, and then hit the notification button so you know when my videos come up. They usually come up about a couple of hours before market opens. Okay, thanks. Bye.